What's up guys, it's Luke here and I'm so excited today because we're going to talk about 10 side hustles you can do to make extra money. Who doesn't need extra money? And if you don't, please send it to me. I'll happily take it. Look guys, the reality is unless you're the CEO of a Fortune 500 company, you're going to need a side hustle in order to make more money to supplement the income from your day job. Unless you're just a monster investor or a trust fund baby or something like that, you need access to capital to invest, and one of the best ways to do that is through a side hustle. I'm going to avoid Uber and Lyft and focus on side hustles you may not have heard about before. At least I hadn't before I started researching for this video. And the final one's going to be a big one. You've heard of it, but it's going to be a big one, so stay tuned for that. Real quick, before we get started, if you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe down below. Let's go. The first side hustle we're going to talk about is professional organizers. I won't lie, I laughed whenever I saw it, but it actually exists and they actually make pretty good money. So if you're hyper organized and you enjoy decluttering, you can turn this into a very lucrative side job. There's no specific training required to become a professional organizer, but you can take courses and webinars and actually get certified through the Board of Certification for Professional Organizers. That must be an exciting group of people. Look for jobs through local professional organizing companies, which may require you to have previous work-related experience and to fill out an application, all that good stuff. Or you can post your services on TaskRabbit or Thumbtack. I've used both of those and they both work great. Pay depends on the size of the project and the time you spend on it, but you set your own rate, so that's a good thing. The weekly salary for a professional organizer is about $819 a week. Although according to costepper.com, certain professional organizer rates are anywhere between $30 and $80 an hour. The second side hustle we're going to talk about is to shop for groceries. This is one I personally would have loved to do in college. I have no idea why. I just enjoyed going to the store and shopping for groceries. I really don't know why. It makes no sense. With apps like Instacart and Shipt, you can earn money by shopping for other people's food and household essentials as a personal grocery shopper. Plus, you have the flexibility to shop when it's convenient for you. Here's how it works. You receive the shopping opportunity via whatever app you're using. If you accept the assignment, you basically go to the store, you pick up all the items ordered by the customer, and then you deliver it to the client's home. Simple as that. A personal shopper on Instacart earns an hourly rate of about 14 bucks an hour or so. Additionally, shoppers can also earn tips. The third side hustle is to sell stock photography. For your next money-making opportunity, look no further than your phone's photo gallery. Sites like Shutterstock and Etsy offer users the option to sell their images online, often to businesses who use that stock photography for their companies. If you're going to attempt to do this, get familiar with what performs well online. Most of the sites will use generic, obviously really high quality photos that are aesthetically pleasing and clearly communicate their corporate brand or their corporate image or whatever it is they're trying to communicate to their customers. For an image upload, you can expect to earn between 25 cents and $2. The fourth side hustle is moving furniture. On-demand moving services like Dolly, Bellhops, and Lug operate in cities across the country, and also there's tons of local companies as well that do the same thing. Sounds like a possible business opportunity for somebody out there who enjoys moving. Bellhops and Lug don't even require you to have a truck or a car for moving. However, you do have to have a smartphone and you do have to have the ability to lift heavy objects, typically between 75 and 100 pounds. With most of these platforms, you can set your rates and your schedule, so another great benefit there. Lug estimates movers can earn up to $2,500 a week. Wow, that's a lot of money. The fifth side hustle that we're going to talk about got my kid really excited. It's dog walking. You can sign up to be a dog walker, a dog sitter, or even a boarder through a host of services like Rover, Waggle, Barkley, not Chuck, and Petbacker. For a lot of these, all you got to do is complete an application and pass an in-person harness and collar test. Set your rates, your availability, and the kind of dogs you're comfortable dealing with, and begin booking jobs using just the app. You can also rent your outdoor space as a dog play area to pet owners through Sniff Spot. I don't own any land right now, however, it's definitely something I'm looking at, so I need to do more research to see how much money can I really make on this. Most of these applications connect you directly with dog owners who want you to take their dog out for a walk. If you really like walking dogs, this could turn into a full-time business. There were multiple people online I read about who have turned this into a six-figure job. Can you imagine 6 figures for walking dogs? That's incredible. The sixth side hustle we're going to talk about is household tasks. Now, I'm not talking about house cleaning and things like that. I'm talking about people who help out with home tasks like mounting photos, mounting TVs, assembling furniture, reorganizing a house, etc., etc. Platforms like TaskRabbit, Handy, Thumbtack, and Porch offer a variety of these services. Once you're set up, you'll need to identify your preferred skill sets, set your rates, and your availability. Depending upon the task you choose to take on, you may have to buy some things like tools, cleaning supplies, and anything else you need in order to accomplish the job. According to Indeed and TaskRabbit, the average salary for these people is around $30 an hour. Another side hustle that I kind of chuckled at when I read is mystery shopping. You can get paid by companies to pose as a customer, shop and gather data for them to improve their customer experience. You're looking at everything from cleanliness to how the employees interacted with you, how the store looked, what appealed to you, what didn't appeal to you. Personally, I hate shopping, but there's a lot of people out there that love to shop, so this may be the right side gig for you. I'll caution you up front. With mystery shopping, you need to do some vetting of the companies you're looking at working for. Avoid mystery shopping companies that want you to pay to join their service. Additionally, you can check and see if the company is a member of the Mystery Shopping Professionals Association. Another association I did not know existed. The average mystery shopper salary is about $20 an hour according to ZipRecruiter. The eighth side hustle we're going to discuss has really been blowing up lately, and that's online tutoring. From homework to test prep to teaching English, there are a host of teaching gigs out there that can be done from your couch. And even better, not all companies require you to have an education degree to work for them, but you can expect an application process and a profile that details the subjects in which you specialize in. Tutors.com estimates that online tutoring jobs typically pay around $30 an hour or so. That can increase though to between $50 and $60 an hour for advanced subjects like SAT prep or calculus or something like that. Tutors at the high end with credentials and an impressive resume and really relevant experience can charge up to $85 per hour. Man, I missed out. Should have studied. The ninth side hustle we're going to talk about has also been gaining a lot of steam and has really blown up in the past couple of years, and that's being a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you help business owners or individuals with basic administrative work, marketing, project management, just a whole bunch of other things like that for a business or for an individual. Sites like Upwork are a great place to go and look up the gigs and see what they're paying. Some of these platforms require an application for you to fill out a profile and get approved before you're able to book jobs on their site. It also helps to create a website that details your skills, services, and rates to kind of complement your business. Upwork says that virtual assistants make anywhere from $12 to $50 per hour. Look guys, I'm telling you right now, virtual assistants are really popular among real estate investors. There are tons of things that we do that take our focus off of finding deals and creating value and creating wealth. And instead of paying a full-time employee to bring on staff to do all that sort of stuff and have to incur the taxes and the benefits and all that sort of stuff, you can use that virtual assistant to do those tasks as needed. So if you decide to do this, and because I'm thinking about bringing one into my business, I may hire you. The final side hustle, and potentially the most lucrative side hustle, is to take an inventory of all the items you already own that can be rented out for a profit. Think of sites like Airbnb. What a great way to make money and rent out that spare room or that house while you're gone on vacation. There's also sites like Tutoring where you can rent out your vehicle. Again, another great idea if you have a vehicle that sits a lot. And sites like CurbFlip, who actually let you rent out your parking space. Other examples of items that can be rented out include camping equipment, an RV, and baby gear? Yes, it's true. On babyquip.com, it gives parents the option to actually rent out their baby gear. I don't know who would want to rent baby gear, but I'm probably not the best judge of that. That just sounds weird and creepy. If you don't have a side hustle, hopefully you can implement one of these to continue your wealth building journey. And if you are already doing a side hustle that we didn't already talk about, comment down below and let us know what that is. Let us know how you make your extra money doing your side hustle. I do read all the comments and I'm always looking for a better way and a new side hustle to explore. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the little notifications bell below so you know when I post something. Thanks for watching.